Hi, I'm just going to show you quickly how the EdgeMat Pro works. It's a cartridge system. You push the button and you've got access to 6 different cartridges. So you don't need, this is our original sharpener and it's only good for standard knives and our secateurs. It works great, there's no doubt. All you have to do is spray a bit of oil on the jaws first, open it up, place it like so, put it in. And there's other videos on our website that show you how this product works. It's a great little product, but it's restricted to just one setting. Imagine if you can change the setting to match the tool you want to sharpen. And that's where the cartridge system comes in. Now for the first time, you've got 3 different types of bevel sharpens and 3 different types of one-sided sharpening. I'll just quickly show you how easy it is to sharpen any knife around the place. The 2 knives I've got here, that's a standard knife, and this is our more expensive Japanese knife. The standard knives, the angle set would be around 45 degrees, but the Japanese knives, or a fine filleting knife, would be 30 degrees. It comes with tells you all the different colours. They become second nature in time. But the red one is what I'm going to show you first. All you do to use it is push the cartridge out. Close the cartridge bay up. Push the existing cartridge out. There's a cross. Line the cross up and poke it in. Because they're tungsten carbide, they do store a lot of heat, so make sure you always spray a bit of oil. It doesn't have to be any special oil, it could be cooking oil, whatever. Hold your knife in place, place it on, and because it's tungsten carbide, you don't have to push hard, you don't have to go fast. The thing to remember is 7 to 10 light, steady strokes is better than 3 or 4 hard ones. And you've put the razor edge on your knife. Now, to do the Japanese knife, it's easy now. All I do is push the existing cartridge out. I know, because I've used it before, that the yellow one is the cartridge that's set at 30 degrees. I close it up, I put the cartridge, find the cross, poke it in, spray the oil on, and everything's exactly the same. However, I'm putting a really fine edge, which is what makes your Japanese knives stand out so well. But remember, even when you're doing an expensive $400 knife like this one, less is more. Drag it from back to front. That resets the angles. Bit of oil on it. The job's done. Another thing I want to show you is the bypass and doing a pair of scissors or a head shear. So what we do is we take the cartridge out and put the cartridges back in that we've been using. Most people would have a bypass of this description. It's a 23 degree, that's the purple one. We push it in like so, line up the cross and poke it in. See, always exactly the same. Put a bit of oil on the jaws. These are one of the hardest things you'll ever come across to sharpen, but now you can place it in like so. You don't have to push hard, remember. You just drag from back to front and you can't go wrong. That's how it works, but for best stability, always put it on the edge of your bench, place it in and drag from back to front. And last but not least, I'll show you how to do your scissors and your head shears. That will be this teeth angle of 70 degrees, push it out, find your cross and snap it in. Put the cord, the one that you're not using, back into the tray. And to do your scissors again, just open them up, put a little bit of oil on the edge, place it on your bench, and you'll restore the edge on all your scissors now. Just simply drag it back and forwards, turn it around, do exactly the same thing. And when it comes to your head shears, these really nice pair of Japanese head shears I've had for a long time. Hold it steady, place it on, drag it from front to back. Even a hard steel like this, you can hear it working. Remember, 7 to 10 light strokes is better than 3 or 400. And when you're finished for the day, all you do is pop your cartridge out, place it into the frame, put your blank back into the front, and the job's done. 6 sharpeners in one.